back to my channel. It's your girl E. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button so you don't have to miss anything that I have to share. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. I've stayed in my apartment for 2 years now, and when I first got it, it took me like 7 months to actually get like my first piece of furniture. My first piece was my bed frame. But other than that, it was still empty within like another year, but now it's like fully furnished to where I can actually show y'all. It's actually fully to where I want to show y'all and how I like it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will link everything in the video. I'll try to in the video, and all of the links will be down in the description box below. So okay, so when you first walk in, this is like my little cat's area. Ooh, big stretch. My cat, her name is Lisa. She's like, what, like 5 or 6 years old now? I'm terrible at games. Look at her. This is her little food area. This is her bed. I got it from PetSmart. I also got her little scratch and pose, her little hideout from PetSmart too. That's her little cat blanket. This is from PetSmart. Now her litter box, I got it from Amazon. I'll have that linked below. And her backpack, I got it from Amazon. I also have that linked. So about her litty, I said, oh my goodness, I just butchered that. I was about to say litter kitty box. Her litter box, it's automatic. I only gotta clean it once a month. I just switch out the tray and like clean the whole thing. Now this portrait, I was gifted this from At Home, and this is her whole little area. This is another scratch and post of hers. But this is what you really see like when you first walk in. Like, this is like my second favorite area of my studio. So alongside from the kitty area, it's my living room. Let's get into this couch and the details. I love my couch so much. I got it from Amazon. I also got the pillows and the pillowcases from Amazon. It's a little dingy now. Yes, I have to clean it. The tables, this one is from Walmart, Target. TV from Best Buy. Portraits from At Home. And the little table set is from Walmart. So it's a little spacious. It's okay because I'm only one person. I don't need too much. My laundry basket is also from Amazon. My chair, I had that thing for years, but I had it from Walmart. This right here, this little setup is from Five Below, and my candle is from Target. Alright, now we're getting into the next part of my studio, which is the kitchen. So here is my bar stools I got from Amazon. I believe it was like $1 something. I'll definitely have these linked down in the description box below. Like both of these like together like came out to like $1 something. And your girl is a certified lash tech within the classic lash extension. I'm still practicing, y'all, but this year, don't play with me now. And this flower vase is from At Home. I love it so much. I just need flowers. It's all it's missing. My clock, I believe it is so beautiful. It's from Amazon. It definitely matches my aesthetic. Now let's get into my pots and pans. This is from Amazon. I'll have the set linked down. And this is my little tea kettle. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be bigger than what it came out to be. I mean, I used it like a couple times, but I need like an actual like regular one. I'm gonna just use this as like decoration or something. My toaster is from Amazon. And I didn't even get to show you guys, but I have like little pink outlet covers. It's rinser friendly. I'm gonna show you guys where I have it at more so you can see it like all around the house. My little paper towel holder is from Amazon. I love pink, y'all, as you can tell. My kitchen set, I feel like almost every girl has this now. My kitchen set is from Amazon. I love it. It's not a lot of space in the kitchen. I rarely cook as much as I would like to, only because it's not that much room, but I have everything I need, you know, God bless me, so who am I to be ungrateful? Here's another, you know, another outlet holder. I also have one here, like as soon as you walk in, and I also have one connected here and right over here. And now for my not my living room, my bedroom space. So this shelf right here I got from Amazon. Oh my goodness. I got it from Amazon. I love it so much. It's sturdy. These little mini pictures and the little sticky butterflies, I got it from Amazon. It might be childish to some, but I don't care. I love it. My bed frame, I got it from Amazon for like $500. I feel like that is not bad at all, because on each side is like a drawer. It's like 2 sets on each side of a drawer, so my pajamas, my sheets, my blankets are all in there. This is from At Home. This is my bookshelf I got from Amazon as well. This is my closet. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little messy, but it's actually a walk-in closet. I love it so much. This is my linen closet, and this is my bathroom. I'm not gonna show y'all, but y'all get the picture. So now I can like show y'all like the full view of my studio. Like fully furnished as if somebody was walking in. Like, this definitely fits me, like one person, like not too much. Enjoyed this video and made it this far, thank y'all so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and leave down below like what is your favorite thing that you see. And she wants to be a part of the video so bad, but thank you guys for watching. Until next time, see y'all in the next video.